The summer is here, so it's time to bring out those fun, beautiful colored wigs. Don't have a colored wig because you're afraid of color? No worries, I got you. In this video, I'm going to show you how versatile this ombre wig is for all skin tones. So make sure you keep on watching. This wig that I'm using in today's video is from OmgHerHair. I did no coloring to this hair, just a simple style instantly transformed this wig. Okay, so this is the OmgHerHair Pre-Plucked Lace Frontal Wig. This is a 20-inch wig that has 180% density on it. I can definitely tell by just brushing the hair that the density on this wig is much fuller than your average wig. So you can definitely tell that this wig is 180% because of how thick it is. One thing that I'm noticing already by just separating the hair is the hair is really soft. It's not dry, and sometimes you can get pre-colored hair and it's really dry, it's really dull. This wig isn't giving me those type of vibes right now, okay? So what I'm going to be doing here is actually pin curling this wig. I have found in the past that when you pin curl your curls, the curls last longer, they're more bigger, they're more fluffier, they just look more glamorous, just gorgeous, honey. This is a Hot Tools curling iron. I don't remember the inches. I'll have that below in the description bar. So as you can see, I'm just curling the hair going backwards and some coming to the front, and then I am holding the curl in my hand, making sure I kind of keep the heat trapped in my hand, if that makes sense. And then I roll the hair up and pin it with a clip. So I'm just going to continue doing this until I finish. Also, curling your hair in different directions give your curls a more bigger, fluffier look, by the way. I just thought I should mention that. Now, I did let these pin curls sit for about an hour, and now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the clips. I got the clips from Sally's. They was like around $2.99, $3.99, not expensive at all. You can use how many clips you would like. So yeah, this is what the curls look like after removing the clips. As you can see, it's really full and bouncy. I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I did customize this hairline. The hairline is pre-plucked, but you guys know I like to thin the hell out of my wigs, and I just needed to pluck a little bit more. So the only thing I'm doing here is securing the wig down. I'm going to go ahead and, of course, trim some of the baby hairs on this wig. By the way, this is a light brown lace color, and I can definitely tell the difference with this particular lace color. It actually mimics my scalp a lot better compared to some of the other frontals I have worn in the past. I did not measure the parting space on this wig, but according to the description, it is supposed to be a 4.5 parting space, but keep in mind, I'm quite sure if you part your hair like on the side close to your ear, you're not going to get a 4.5 inch parting space. I believe that will probably be more so towards in the middle of the lace instead. So my life dilemma right now is trying to figure out if I want to do a side part, middle part, or a flip over. I'm sure like every girl goes through that struggle. But I'm going to, of course, just do a middle part. I can say for sure you do get about 4 inches of parting space when parting this wig straight down the middle. I do recommend that you pluck the part on your frontal unless you want like a skinny part. You guys know I'm not here for that. I don't want that. And give it more of a natural look. I am going to go ahead and press out the roots of the hairline just to get a more straighter look. Now here is what I'm noticing with this particular wig. I can't really pinpoint if I'm getting this thickness and fullness because of the 180% density on it, or because of the pin curl method used on this wig. Either way, I'm perfectly fine, you know, as long as it's going to give me this full volume look that I am loving in this video. So no over the top baby hairs today. I mean, like my baby hairs are ever over the top, but just a real natural wig hairline, no over the top baby hairs, adding a little bit of foundation just to emphasize that part. This is a 20-inch wig, by the way, and I need to point out, I really do like how you can see the transition between the colors. You see the dark roots, which is black, then it goes into a brown, then it goes into the blonde. The ombre on this wig was done really, really well. And like I said, this is not a dry wig. Sometimes you can get an ombre wig that does feel a little dry and you have to add oil. This wig would be perfect for someone who is new to color and want to just test out color to see how it looks on their skin. This is like a perfect ombre shade because you get 3 different colors in one wig. I would highly suggest this wig when trying to figure out if you want to do color or not. Of course, if you would like to purchase this wig, all purchasing information is below. If you decide to purchase this wig, definitely come back on this video and let people know if you love it, if you hate it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.